Who doesn't want radiant, youthful skin? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the secret to achieving that glow from the inside out. 7 incredible anti-aging drinks that will nourish your skin and leave you feeling younger, healthier, and more vibrant. Welcome to Stay Young Wellness, where we unlock the secrets to timeless beauty and wellness. Right, you lot. Gather around because today, we're diving into something truly special. Let's kick off with the number 1, Green Goddess Smoothie. This isn't just any ordinary smoothie, it's a blend of nature's finest ingredients designed to nourish your skin from the inside out. This is an antioxidant powerhouse. Imagine a drink so potent, it's like a shield for your skin against the daily grind of pollutants and stress. We're talking spinach, packed with vitamins A and C, fighting off skin damage like a Michelin star chef battles a dirty kitchen. Spinach is not just for Popeye, it's for anyone who wants to look and feel their best. And don't think I've forgotten about avocado. This creamy fruit is a game changer. We're adding a good dollop of that creamy goodness for healthy fats, hydrating your skin from the inside out. Avocado is like nature's moisturizer, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that keep your skin supple and glowing. You think those expensive creams are the answer? Think again. While topical treatments have their place, true beauty starts from within. This smoothie will show you what hydration really means. Blending these ingredients together creates a silky, smooth drink that's as delicious as it is nutritious. This is so creamy and delicious. Each sip is like a mini spa treatment for your skin, rejuvenating and refreshing. It's like feeding your skin with a spa day. Imagine the feeling of relaxation and renewal you get from a spa. Now imagine that same feeling but for your skin every single day. The beauty of this smoothie is in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. Fresh, organic produce is key. When you choose the best, your body and skin reap the benefits. Think about the vibrant colors of fresh fruits and vegetables. Those colors are not just for show. They indicate the presence of powerful phytonutrients that work wonders for your skin. As you blend these ingredients together, you're not just making a drink, you're creating a potion of health and beauty. The blending process breaks down the cell walls of the fruits and vegetables, making it easier for your body to absorb all those wonderful nutrients. Pour it into a glass and take a moment to appreciate the rich, creamy texture. This is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a gift to your skin. Enjoy it outdoors, under the sun, and let the natural light enhance the glow that this smoothie brings to your skin. It's a perfect way to start your day, or a refreshing pick-me-up in the afternoon. With regular consumption, you'll notice a difference in your skin's texture and radiance. It's like giving your skin a daily dose of love and care. Share it with friends and family and spread the love. After all, good health and glowing skin are best enjoyed together. So, next time you think about skincare, remember that beauty truly starts from within. Cheers to glowing skin and a healthier you with the Green Goddess Smoothie. Next up, number 2, we're tackling aging head-on with the Berry Collagen Booster. We're not messing about with this one. This is a game changer in your daily routine. Berries, my friends, are nature's fountain of youth. These vibrant little fruits are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining healthy skin. They're bursting with antioxidants, little ninjas fighting off those pesky free radicals that age your skin. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your skin cells, leading to premature aging. But with the power of berries, you can combat these effects and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. And to really give those wrinkles a run for their money, we're adding collagen powder. Collagen is a protein that your body naturally produces, but as you age, its production decreases. By supplementing with collagen powder, you can help replenish your body's collagen levels, promoting firmer, more elastic skin. This stuff is the protein that keeps your skin firm and bouncy, like a perfectly proofed sourdough. Imagine your skin being as resilient and supple as a freshly baked loaf of bread. That's the magic of collagen. Drink this daily to restore your skin's elasticity and maintain a youthful glow. Incorporating this berry collagen booster into your routine is simple and delicious. Just blend your favorite berries with a scoop of collagen powder, and you've got a powerful, skin-loving smoothie. Not only will it taste amazing, but it will also provide your body with the nutrients it needs to keep your skin looking its best. So, why wait? Start your journey to youthful, glowing skin today with the Berry Collagen Booster. Listen up, because this number 3 is the turmeric. This just some drink. No, this is your hero. The is packed with properties. It's like an eraser for your reducing fine and those wrinkles. And for A of and a boost, we're adding A of cinnamon. It's an A for any routine. Number 4. Feeling bloated and sluggish? Your skin probably is too. That's why we're whipping up this cucumber mint detox water. It's simple, refreshing, and bloody brilliant for flushing out those nasty toxins that dull your skin. Cucumber's not just for your eyes, you know, it's loaded with silica, a mineral that boosts collagen production, making your skin plumper and more youthful. Simple yet effective. Stay hydrated and watch your skin glow. Number 5. Aloe Vera Elixir. Soothe and hydrate from within. Aloe vera the burn soother? You bet. But this miracle plant does more than just soothe sunburns. This aloe vera elixir is like a tall glass of water for your skin, hydrating it from the inside out. It soothes inflammation, promotes healing, and gives you that dewy glow we all crave. Take this on an empty stomach in the morning to start your day with a fresh glow. Number 6. Pomegranate Antioxidant Punch. A powerful punch for radiant skin. Now let's get serious about fighting those free radicals with this pomegranate antioxidant punch. This drink is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a powerful elixir for your skin. Pomegranates, those ruby red jewels, are bursting with antioxidants, little soldiers fighting off the damage that ages your skin. These antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and polyphenols, help to neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage to your skin cells. And we're not stopping there. We're adding another superstar ingredient to our punch. We're adding green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants that reduces inflammation and protects your skin from premature aging. Green tea contains catechins, which are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. These catechins, along with the polyphenols in pomegranates, create a synergistic effect, enhancing the overall antioxidant capacity of the drink. This drink is not only tasty, but also a game changer for radiant skin. Imagine sipping on this vibrant red drink, knowing that each sip is nourishing your skin from the inside out. The combination of pomegranate and green tea not only helps to protect your skin from environmental damage, but also promotes a healthy, glowing complexion. So next time you're looking for a refreshing beverage, reach for this pomegranate antioxidant punch and give your skin the powerful boost it deserves. Number 7. Coconut Hydration Smoothie, tropical twist for skincare. Last but not least, we're finishing with a tropical treat, the Coconut Hydration Smoothie. Coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink, will quench your skin's thirst like no other. We're adding bananas for a natural glow and pineapple for a gentle exfoliation. It's like a mini spa day in a glass. Perfect for a tropical twist on your skincare routine. And there you have it. 7 delicious, easy-to-make anti-aging drinks that will help you achieve youthful, glowing skin. Remember, beauty starts from within, so treat your body well, and it will show on your skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more wellness secrets. Until next time, stay young, stay radiant, and stay healthy.